Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by switching to Action. Reboot into BIOS/UEFI now and verify boot mode is UEFI. If your disk is MBR, run MBR2 GPT in Windows to convert. This preserves data while enabling UEFI. Make sure TPM is enabled and Windows is fully updated because Vanguard requires secure platform services. Backup current BIOS settings or make a note so you can revert. Once done, proceed to the Secure Boot key and Enrollment steps in the firmware menu. You now enable Secure Boot and Handle keys. Set Secure Boot to Enabled, selecting Standard if available, or Custom to manage keys manually. Navigate to Key Management and load default keys, or explicitly install Microsoft PK/KEK/DB entries. This registers the Windows production PCA that Vanguard trusts. If the firmware asks to enroll a key, accept it. Save changes and reboot into Windows so the OS recognizes the new secure boot state. Make sure drivers are signed before continuing. You finish by checking Secure Boot inside Windows. Press Win+R, run msinfo32, and confirm Secure Boot is on and Secure Boot state is enabled. If Vanguard blocks, uninstall then reinstall Riot Vanguard so it registers under the new Secure Boot policy. Reboot and test Valorant. If you encounter boot errors or the game still fails, disable Fast Boot in firmware, clear Secure Boot keys and reload defaults, or convert disk to GPT properly. That one troubleshooting step fixes most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.